Hey, what's up guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to teach you that how you can add a new product in your Shopify store. On the left sidebar you will see an option for products. Just click on it and here you will see the available products in your Shopify store. If you have not added any product in your Shopify store, you will see a button here to add product, but currently this button is on the top right side, so I will click on this button and you will see this option. So now we have to provide this following information to add a new product. So the first thing is you have to add a title. For example, I will type here like short sleeve t-shirt for men. Make sure you have to write an SEO friendly title here if you want to be your product rank on the Google. The next thing is you have to add a product description here. You can add this product description by typing yourself, or you can use their generate product description tool. So for example, let me copy this title here and I will again click on this, and here I have to describe about my product. For example, if I say that my product title is this, write an SEO friendly description for me. And you can also write a beautiful prompt so you can get better results. So let me click on generate. Here you can see we have another option that your description should be expert, custom, daring or something like this, but I will choose expert. And you can also provide special instructions, but this is optional. I'm going to make it blank. And when I will click on this generate text, you can see that it is generating a description for me. So it has generated this description for me. Let me click on this keep button. So you can see that Shopify, this AI tool, have generated a beautiful description for me. You can also read this description. Again, you can also use this editor. For example, if you want to bold a text here, you can also bold this text. If you want to italic some text, you can also select that text and italic, and you can perform other editor operations on your text. So the next part is you have to add product media. Maybe you have a single product image, or maybe you have a multiple product images. You have to add that product image here. So I will click on the upload new button, and here you can see that in my computer I have an product image here. So I will select this and click on this open button. So this product is added successfully. For example, you are selling t-shirts in your Shopify store. Make sure the dimension of all of your images should be same. If this would not be same, then maybe it can destroy the user experience of your Shopify store. I know that there are some other options that developer can fit any size of image, but still it is important to ask your designer to create the product images in same dimensions. Also, you can add more products images here, but currently I'm not going to do that. The next section you can see here is price. For example, if my product price is 100 rupees, here is you can see an option compare at price. Maybe you will often see that in some stores the store owners try to display a discounted price. For example, the price was 105 rupees, but we are just giving you in 100 only. So this price is called comparable price. So if you want to display this on your store, you can also add that compare at price at this position. Also, if you want to charge tax on this product, you can also select that. And here this is for your personal purposes. For example, you are selling this price to your customer for 100 rupees and cost on this product is 70 rupees. Then you can add here, for example, I will add here 70 rupees, and you can see that it is displaying me that I have 30% margin and profit will be 30 rupees. And obviously in my analytics it will display me the actual profit that this store will be made for. Your customer will not see this. This is just for your personal purposes. Maybe inside your analytics you will see that how much profit you are making and this type of stuff. The next option we have is inventory. Here you can see that currently this option is checked track quantity. It means, for example, you have two stores in London, and this t-shirt quantity is 50 in your first store and 250 in your second location store. So you can add that quantity, and then inside this inventory section you can manage that how much pieces of this t-shirts are left. So if you want to do this, you can check this, or if you are not willing to do that, you can also uncheck that. And here you can see another option, that continue selling when out of stock. For example, if you have 300 pieces and all of the pieces are sold, but still you want to allow your customers to still purchase this product, you can check this option for, here. Next option we have is for shipping. Because t-shirt is a physical product, so I will select this one. Also, you can add its weight in kg. For example, I will type here 0.3 kg, and you can also provide this optional information, but I'm not going to do that. The next option is one of the most important option, which called variants. So for example, you have this t-shirt available in different sizes. One is for small size, one medium, and one is for large size. So how you can display your customer that this variant have this price and extra large variant have this price. So this option is for that purpose. So first of all, I will click on add options, and for example, I have different sizes, so I will select here size. So the first size, for example, is small, and second is medium, and the third is large. You can see that when I type some text, next field is automatically created. So once I will click on this done button, you can see that 3 variants are created. Maybe you have different price for these variants. To edit the price, I will select here, and I can change its price from, for example, 85 rupees. And here you can also change cost per item if you have different cost on your small products. For example, I can turn this to 60, and once I will done, similarly, for example, medium product have 100 rupees, and if I have the large variant, I can change its price to 120. You can also change its cost per item. So I will select 80 for this. Once I will click on done, so now you can see that basically we have 3 variants, and you can also add the quantity here. Currently you can see that, okay, currently you can see that 0 quantity is available in our 2 locations. And if you want to update this quantity, you will select a variant like medium. You will click on actions, and here you will see an option for edit quantity. Just click on this, and now you can see that we have added 2 locations in our Shopify store. So I will select the first one, and here I can add quantity like 50, and we have to click on this done. Now you can see that 50 available at 2 locations. By using this method, you can add different variants and the quantity that you will have available in your different locations. Next option, you can see that search engine listing. If you want to change this, that how your product will be visible on search engines, you can also change that. You can also select a custom page title and description as well, and you can see that this will be your URL. You can also change this URL. For example, if I want to target short sleeve shirts keyword, then I can change this keyword here. So basically this will be your product domain like xyz or finegap.com and products, and then this keyword will be appear at this position. Okay, the next option is status of the product. If you want to make this product active so customers can see on your store, you can select the active one, otherwise you can select the default. Here we have next publishing option, that our product will be published on these channels. First of all, our online store and our point of sale. Shopify have its own point of sale system. And next you can see that product organization. The first one is product category. Basically, if you will select the right category, then Shopify will deduct the right tax from your product, because you can see that we have selected an option that charge tax on this product. So if you will not, then maybe you will face some legal issues. Shopify will not able to calculate the exact tax according to US law, so maybe you will face some issues. Next, you can select a product category. So because we are selling shirts, I will select here shirts. The vendor, if you want to select, I will leave this as it is. Next, collection. In Shopify, you can create multiple collections, and you can select that which product, that this product is belong to that specific collection. For example, if you are selling t-shirts, then maybe you have multiple collections, that ladies t-shirts, men's t-shirts, or for children t-shirts, something like this. So you can add multiple collections under in the left side, and so you can add that product to that collection from here. So currently I will select men's clothing, because obviously this t-shirt is a men's clothing. In the last, you can select tags, so I'm not going to select that. So here you can see that currently we have only default product template. If you are using a premium theme, maybe you will have multiple templates to display this product. So you can select that template. This depends on the theme that you are using. I'm using the default and free theme, so I have not any option available to select a theme template. So friends, this was the option, and these were the option and information that you have to provide to add a new product in your Shopify store. In the last, one thing you have to make sure to click on this save button on the top right section. Just click on this. So this product is added successfully. Let me copy here, and I can search this product from here. So you can see that this product is added successfully. I will click on it, and if you want to view it on your store, you can click on this button, and you can see that this product will look like this on our Shopify store. This was the description that was added by you. User can select quantity, he can select different variants, and different prices will be displayed according to the variant the user will select. And obviously this was a product name, or you can say it product title. Also, if you are building your store and Shopify provide you another options to export and import products. If you want to take backup of these products, you can select this export option. And again, if you want to import these products later in your store, you can simply click on this import button. So it will ask you to import from a CSV file. Let me again click on this products. Okay, again let me click on this import. So you have to import a CSV file, and if you are building your store for a client and you don't have products information available, then you can download some demo CSVs from internet, from GitHub, and you can also import those CSVs as well. So friends, this was the method that how you can add a new product in your Shopify store. If you have any question, you can ask us in the comment section, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel for our regular videos. And finally, thanks for watching.